Yes guys, so in this video we're still going to talk about some of the features on the some of the Google features, and in this video we're going to talk about the translate feature. So this feature is basically for translating in case someone sends you a text, or there's a text in the, let's say it's in Chinese and then you don't know Chinese and then you want to translate it to English, or someone sends you a text that then you don't understand the language in which it's being typed or it has been sent. You can use the translate feature. So this translate feature is not basically for the Google only, but then in some phones, some AIs have this feature. It can be inbuilt in your phone and then you can easily access it, not just basically on Google, but it can be found in many softwares. So let's use this one, that of Google. So when you're looking for it, of course, you on your PC you can just come here on the Google apps, then here the translate feature for the Google. So there are even apps that you can go and download from the Google Play Store. So in this feature you can just type any language. So in case now here we are typing Uganda, or you can type in English, or actually, so this feature helps you detect the language in which the text has been typed, then translate it to the language that you want it to, so that you can understand the meaning of the text that has been sent. You can even use the audio part of it, then it translates for you what actually the audio is all about. So let's try it this way. So here we're going to type in our text that we want to translate, then the translation will be this side. So we shall type in English, then the translation will be this side in Uganda. yeah let's type in something simple. So how are you? yeah how are you in English, and that's how it is. But then when you come to Uganda, the Uganda version of it is Oli Otia. So in case you meet a Muganda or people from Uganda and they understand Uganda, instead of saying how are you, you can even go for Oli Otia. So when you tell that person, or when they hear you say Oli Otia, of course they will reply they are fine. So let's see the reply. So the reply will be Ndibulunji. So it'll be like, how are you? Ndi, how are you? I'm fine. Oli Otia Ndibulunji. That's the reply. So let's go for the actually version of this. The actually version. For actually,
I'm fine.
Tema Bear. Tema Bear is the actually version for I'm fine. Let's go for Chinese. Look for Chinese. Now for the Chinese, they have two versions. There's the simplified version and then the excuse me, as I was still telling you, for the Chinese, they have the simplified version and the traditional version. So the simplified version, let's go for the simplified version. Simplified version for Chinese. Wo hen hao. I know when someone is like, how are you? They say ni hao, and then your reply is wo hen hao. It's kind of funny, but then that's their language. Let's go for how are you? ni hao. Ni hao ma. So down here, that's the pronunciation for this. Yeah, because when you look at it closely, you can't easily get the pronunciation, but then when you come down here, they give you the pronunciation of what you see here. So the pronunciation is like ni hao ma. In case you meet a Chinese and then they'll be like ni hao ma, your reply should be, let's get it here. When you're fine, you'll be like wo hen hao, but when you're not fine, you see, when you're not fine, you just be like wo bu tai hao. Yeah, hope you learned something. Yeah,